Hello! Are you excited for your Erasmus Plus journey? Fantastic! I got some travel hacks for you to make your journey more smooth and more budget-friendly. First things first, let's talk about the options. You can choose between green travel and non-green travel. So, talking about green travel means that any kind of public transportation except taking a plane. So it can be a bus, a car, a train, or any kind of motorbike. All it's valid. And in this case, if a participant chooses any green travel option, can get more money back. For sure, it's based on the real costs. And also, there is another difference. In the non-green travel option, you can get 2 days for traveling days, and in the green travel option, you can get 4 days. Just keep in mind. And considering some alternatives too, like Flixbus or BlaBlaCar, these are really great because if you are traveling in carpool or bus, you can enjoy more scientific routes and you can meet some other travelers along the way.
The website Omio or Student Agency allows you to compare bus, train and flight tickets, so it would be easier to choose. These services offer affordable options, making it easy to explore new places.
Now let's talk about the flights. There are plenty of websites and tools to help you to choose the best deals. We recommend websites like Skyscanner, Momondo or Google Flights because these are the best ones.
So check out Skyscanner. It works by searching it between different airline companies from across the internet, so you are able to compare the prices easily. Nowadays, you can choose priority boarding ticket, which include 2 cabin bags on board. You should buy this one online during the booking process. It includes first a carry-on bag like a backpack, handbag or laptop bag, which needs to fit under the seat in front of you. And also it includes another bigger cabin bag around 8 to 10 kilograms.
And another extra tip for you, you can use VPNs because flight prices are always changing and the prices are based on your location. So if you can choose any kind of VPN options, maybe you can find some better deals. So there you have it. With all of these tips, you can start your Erasmus Plus adventure. I wish you safe trips and happy exploring.